Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we just have another unboxing. I don't even know what it is, but let's get this package off and let's just see what it is. Okay, so this is what is in this. Oh, we have Roccabox. Can you see it? Again, I love this gold writing on here, and this is a normal Roccabox. It's just plain white with the gold writing on. Right, so I'm just going to flip it open, and I'm not looking because I want you to see what's in this box. And okay, so we have a leaflet. We shall read that just in a minute. I want you to have a look at those goodies. Oh, look at those. Right, okay, so I'm just going to pull something out and let's just have a look at what it is. Oh, we have a concealer. Right, so we have the concealer. And this is by Alice Fars. Alice Fars, I think that's the name. You could tell me in the comments if I was wrong. Wow, look at that. That looks good. That looks big and it looks good. I don't know. Right, okay. I don't know how you open it. I just don't know. I think I said that it's like a pen sort of thing, and I would say that you turn that and nothing's happening. Come on, where are you? Do you press it down? So am I turning it the right way? It's a concealer pen, yes, we know that. It comes from Amsterdam and it's made in Italy. Well, there's nothing coming out. Nothing at all. Right. Is it coming? No, it's not coming. Nothing coming out. Right, so we'll just leave that. Oh, that's it there. And it just snaps on like that. The next item we got is, what are you? Your cleansing oil. And it's the Burt's Bees cleansing oil. Oh, that's that. There, and I shall just pop it open. Doesn't have much of a smell, it has like a really light sort of smell. And just pop a little bit onto there. It's like a clear substance gel. Oh, it feels nice and oily. I like that a lot, yeah. That feels really nice. Nice and oily stuff, but what does it say about it? It says it's cleansing oil, it's coconut and it's argan oil. So it's for normal to dry skin. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so moving on now to the next item, which we have Evolve Organic Beauty. Whoa, I don't know what that is, but it says it's Radiant Glow. Right, okay, so what are you? That's it there. So I'm just gonna, oh, it feels like jelly. It says Radiant Glow. It feels like a scrub as I'm just rubbing it on there. So, oh, that's it there. It just feels like scrub. So, interesting. Right, okay, so the next item, what we have is, what are you? You are the MOA Magic Organic Apothecary. I can't pronounce it. Apothecary. This is a green balm. This is a natural healing balm with yarrow and herb, used for centuries to heal and repair skin. Wow. That's that there. It smells. Hasn't got much of a smell at all. So it's like skin repairing stuff, and I'm just trying to find a place to put it. It feels really oily on the skin. Feels. And it smells quite nice as well. So that's that one. And the next item is, what are you? You're a congested skin serum. Seems to be a lot of moisturisers in this one this month, which is a skin serum, and it is by Balance Me. We had those last month in a lot of beauty boxes. I think that they must be just on trying to, I don't know, trying to do something. Right, as it says there, it is, it's a clear substance. That smells really nice. So that's that one. It's like clear. Oh, really, really pretty. Nice smell. It has like a smell of a flower sort of smell. Really nice though. The next item is, I caught a glimpse of it, but I don't know what it is. I just caught the pink thing of it. What is it? You are the Rush Over Sensual Dry Shampoo. Now, I'm not a lover of dry shampoo. It always leaves my hair feeling dry and horrible and disastrous. But I shall give this a try. We'll see what it smells like. It smells really nice. It has like scent of roses. It smells really nice. And that's that one from, what are you from? Anyway, that's that one there. Right, okay, so we've got an empty Roccabox. Right, so we'll go back over the product. We had this, which one was the concealer pen. And what were you? The concealer pen is from Alice Farr's Concealer, and our repurchase price is £22, and that was a full-size product. This is the cult product that the celebrities didn't want you to know about, with its creamy consistency, a wand that delivers just the right amount of coverage, and a formula that seamlessly melts into the skin. We can now convincingly fake a good night's sleep. Well, that's good, because I really need to fake that. I wish it would work. I'll try it once more again to get it to work. And if it doesn't, well, we're not going to lose anything. And it's just not coming. Oh, it is. There we go. We got it to work. Right, so I shall just dab a bit on underneath the eye treatment, like it says to do, and then we shall see what it works like. Really good. I like this wand. It really does help. Makes it a lot easier. I like the coverage. That is a fantastic concealer. I love it. As you can see, it has made a huge difference to my under eye. A lot better. So that is definitely a love. Love that lots. Right, so the next product, what we had was, so we've done that one. the next one we had, which was this one, which is the Burt's Bees one. And this one was, it's not a full-size product. It's the Burt's Bees cleansing oil with coconut argan oil. This one's a sample. And it is to say we are obsessed with cleansing oils would be an understatement. Nothing strips away makeup, grime and dirt as effectively in our book. So we are super excited to introduce the brand new cleansing oil to our bathroom cabinet. Crammed full of argan oil and beloved coconut oil, it's bursting with skin, nutrition, fatty acids, and it's omega-9, so skin is left thoroughly cleansed like a baby bottom. Wow. So that's that one. You also get 20% off of burtsbees.co.uk. So there you go, is a voucher code, so you can use it to get your 20% off. If you haven't got it there, I shall just leave it in the description. Or if I don't leave it in the description, just tell me that you want the code and I will give it to you. There you go, so there. Right, so the next item is, I forgot to say the price of that, which is $16.99, but that's just a sample. Right, so the next item we had out was this. Now I don't even know what this is, but we shall find out. It's Evolve Organic Beauty Radiant Glow with Face Mask, actually. I thought it was a body scrub. It's raw cacao and coconut, half of the recipe to our favourite protein balls, but also the two key ingredients in the antioxidant-packed omega-rich face mask, which is 100% natural. We'd be licking the delicious mask off our fingers if we didn't do such amazing glow introducing things to our skin. Buffering, repairing, regenerating into the perfection. Please note this product contains sweet almond oil, and Evolve Beauty would like to offer you a 15% off. So there we go, another code. There we go, another code. Right, okay, so moving on to the next item. I forgot to tell you that price was £20, and that's a sample. The next item we come across, which was the mower, which that one is. This does it all. Pack product tricks. So many of our boxes are product with homegrown English heritage, organic and multitasker, crammed full of natural ingredients. The only thing that this would make the moisturiser balm even better if it had actual healing powers. So it's a moisturiser. Oh, it does. Sold. Wow. So it has healing powers. So that is really, really good. It's a sample again, and that is £12.50, but you wouldn't pay that for that. So, right. Okay, so we're moving on to the next item, which this was the next item, which is the Balance Me Congestion Skin Serum. This again is a sample, and it's a powerful serum, can be the key to treating stubborn skin complaints, and for an overnight attack on spots, the serum puts up with a serious fight. Antimicrobial ingredients battle congestion, antibacterial properties tackle reactive skin and oily skin, is left grease free but not dried out. Well, so that is good if you suffer with spots, so that's what you need to use. That is a sample again, and £16 for the full size product. Right, so moving on to the next item, which I got was this one, and this one is the Soap and Glory Mini Rush Over Dry Shampoo 50ml. I am not sure if this is a full size product because it doesn't say. It says 50ml is £2.50, so that must be the full size product then. Right, so it says we're very much of the belief that every girl needs a dry shampoo on hand at all times, so we're thinking of Soap and Glory for not all produced in a handbag size. That will go on real nice in your handbag. Handy thing to have, because you never know when you just want to spruce up your hair. And yep, so well, good to go. Just give it a quick go. I hope it doesn't leave any white marks because I don't like a lot of white marks. It feels refreshing and no white residue, so that is definitely a thumbs up, because normally they always leave a right white residue. What the hell am I saying? Oh, I swore. Sorry about that, YouTubers. But there's no white residue there whatsoever, and that is good. So, overall opinions on this box, I think they got it perfectly right. I love the products, I love that. And that's made me want to buy some more dry shampoo. That is really nice. I've never tried these, but I shall try them. And that is definitely my favourite because I just love what it does. Conceals. That is really good. So that was my favourite. This is a really good box and I am loving this Roccabox this month. Really good, and it's all empty. So we shall have to wait till next month for another unboxing of this, because I will definitely keep subscribed to Roccabox. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you all in my next video. Probably be an unboxing, and that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Bye.